welcome back to Little Dude Adventures. My name is Thomas, and today I will be unboxing, then building, and then rating 2 Legos. So let's see what we have first. Alright, first off, we have a Minecraft Lego, and it is called the Illager Raid. It has a total of 562 pieces. Next up, it is not Minecraft, but it is Star Wars. Yes, this is a defense. This is an action battle, and it's called the Echo Base Defense, and it has a total of 504 pieces. So let's unbox them. All right, starting off with the Minecraft Lego. It seems to have 4 packs and then an instructions page and then this. So it doesn't look too hard to build. We'll see what happens with this one. All right, so let's move into the Star Wars build. All right, start opening this guy up. So, this Lego from the outside, it looks pretty fun to do, and it looks like there's a lot of things that you have to do, like with your hands and stuff. So that was fun. All right. So inside, oh, there's some seasons. All right. So inside, there seems to be 5 packs, and then the instruction page. So I think it'll be pretty cool with a lot of movement, not just looking at it. Different from the Minecraft build. So yeah, I like how there's an AT-AT also in here, and then there is the Rebel base they're trying to attack. So yeah, let's start. All right, so we're done unboxing these. Now let's start building the Minecraft build. Alright, we are done with the Minecraft build. So let's see what we got. So over here we have an Illager on a looks like something like a horse, or a bigger horse. And so like if you pull this lever back here, then it opens its mouth, which is pretty cool. And then over here in the house, there is a cat on top, and then inside there is a bedside table, a bed, a crafting table, and a furnace. Then over here we have the farm. This guy, I think he's trying to stop the 2 Illagers. But yeah, so we have a basket of carrots and a villager. Then over here we have a chest full of like stuff like bow and arrow and fish. Then over here we have the pig. And then here we have another Illager. And then here you have a villager next to an armor stand. And then we have some terracotta and a tree here. So now we'll move on to the other one, which is the Star Wars one, and I'm pretty excited about this one I think it will be fairly easier than this one. Also, I'm excited about the targets, and then you could shoot them with these two shooters. But yeah, all right, let's start building our second. And now, with the power of energy, we are now done with this build. So let's see what we got. All right, so up here there is right here. There is a guy shooting, trying to get into this base. And if you hit the target with the shooter, then the guy would fall out and the droid will fall down. So once again, if you hit it, guy falls out and the droid falls down. Then moving on to this one, this guy is trying to defend the base. If you hit this, it spins around and then he eventually falls out, which is pretty cool. Then here, if you hit this one, the guy falls out of his seat. And if you hit this, the wall falls down with this guy too. So if you hit it right here, this falls down and the guy falls down with it. Then we have the AT-AT. So this one's a little complicated. It's also a little hard to do. So it's hard to stay still because of, like, if you hit this target, then this guy falls out. Oh, yeah, he falls out, and then the AT falls down like this, which is pretty cool. So yeah, now we're gonna start rating the builds. So let's just put these back here. Because I don't want this one to fall. Alright. So up first, we have the Star Wars build. Now I really like this because it has so many cool features, like starting off the targets. And then also there's the AT-AT, and then there's a wall, there's a droid, so many cool things from Star Wars. So I would give this one, so the things that I don't like about it is that it's so small compared to the Minecraft one. So I would give this about a 7 out of 10. For this. Alright, so let's move this over here. And then next up, we have the Minecraft build. So this one I really like because it's very big, and it has also, like the Star Wars one, many very cool features. The thing that I like the most about this is like how there's like this cool village, and then while we're showing this whole thing, there's an Illager raid happening. So over here, so I like these features too, including how this guy, he opens his mouth kind of to show how he's attacking. And then we also have the Illagers, a lot of characters. Also, these ones have a lot of characters too. Then I like how there's so much detail in these ones. And yeah, so I would give this one a 9 out of 10. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!